Hello Year 9 and welcome to today's lesson. Your lesson outcomes for today. What? Gain an understanding of how to communicate your ideas for performance through written communication. Why? To demonstrate your ability to interpret a script through description, explanation and analysis. This will be the final part of your assessment. Your first task is to read through the given extracts of script from Knee-High's Hansel and Gretel. As you're doing this, you may wish to annotate, make notes on your script for your ideas for vocal and physical skills. You will have 5 minutes to complete this task. Your first question, number 1. You were a costume designer for a performance of this extract. You were designing a costume for Hansel. Describe how you would dress Hansel. 4 marks is awarded for this question. In your answer, you should refer to items of clothing worn, colour, condition and fabrics. Remember to write in full sentences. There is an example on the screen for you to refer to help you when structuring your answer. Your teacher will pause the video here and you will have 5 minutes to complete this task. Remember to mention each of the bullet points and to write in full sentences. Question 2. You were playing the role of the witch. Explain how you would use vocal skills to show the audience how the character feels when delivering the line, "Where is he? Hansel, Auntie's coming for you. And when she gets you, she's going to cook you." In your answer, you should refer to pitch, pace, pause, tone, accent, gesture, facial expressions, movement, gait, and proxemics. You will need to quote key parts of the line of dialogue to help justify your points and give a clear explanation to explain your decisions. This question is worth 8 marks. On the screen, there is an example of an answer for this 8-mark question. You have 10 minutes to complete this task and remember to write in full sentences. Question 3. You are playing the role of Hansel. Explain how you would use acting skills to show the audience that you were trying to distract the witch. In your answer, you should refer to pitch, pace, pause, tone, accent, gesture, facial expressions, movement, gait, and proxemics. You will need to quote key parts of the line of dialogue to help justify your points and give a clear explanation of your decisions. This question is worth 12 marks. Here is some guidance to help you. Sentence starters. To show that I, as Hansel, was trying to distract the witch when delivering the line, blah blah, I would speak using a blah tone and a blah pitch. This would show the audience that. When delivering the line, blah blah, I would use a blah blah facial expression and a blah blah gesture. This would communicate to the audience that I, blah blah. When answering this question, you are picking key lines of dialogue. You are then explaining how you would use your vocal and physical skills to deliver that line of dialogue, and then explain what impact this would have, meaning what would this help show the audience. This mark is worth 12 questions, so you should try and have 3 to 4 quotes in full.